if you didn't grow up speaking the language, are these little bits and pieces that I'm giving you about what the names mean helping you understand more about the language and kind of just like put concepts together and help you translate and understand what native Igbo speakers are saying? Let's say you hear people in your family or you're watching a Nollywood movie. Does it help you like understand what they're saying a little bit more? Please let me know if this helps you or if there's anything you would like to know about the Igbo language. Please continue to support this YouTube channel. Please hit the bell button to get a notification anytime I drop a new video. Send me a DM on my Instagram if you would like to be gifted with an Igbo name. If you don't have one, obviously, I'll give you one as a gift. And if you are Igbo, let me know as well too, and I can feature your name on the next Igbo name of the day. All right, thanks. I appreciate everyone's support of this YouTube channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.